Hello and welcome to KSG India News Bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Gas marketing freedom allowed. Nobel Prize in 2020 in Chemistry. Pact for Cooperation in 5G AI. The Spiral Galaxy NGC 5643. OPCW confirms Novichok in Valney's blood. Here are the important news in detail. Gas marketing freedom allowed. The government on 7th October 2020 allowed affiliate companies to buy gas produced from non-regulated field as part of giving complete marketing freedom. The government between 2016 and 2019 gave pricing freedom for all fields except those given to state-owned Oil and Natural Gas Corporation and Oil India Limited on a nomination basis. But there were restrictions on marketing, including a ban on affiliates of producers buying the fuel in some cases, a state nominee being mandated to offtake the gas. This restricted competition kept prices artificially low. Moving on to the next Nobel Prize 2020 in Chemistry. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences on 7th October 2020 awarded the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry to Manuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna for development of a method of genome editing. Manuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna have discovered one of the gene technology's sharpest tools, the CRISPR-Cas9 genetic scissors, the Academy said. Moving on to the next Pact for Cooperation in 5G AI. Japan and India have finalized an ambitious agreement that provides for cooperation in 5G technology, artificial intelligence, and an array of other critical areas as two strategic partners vote to further broad-base their ties, including in the Indo-Pacific region. After a meeting between External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his Japanese counterpart Toshimitsu Motegi in Tokyo on 7th October 2020, it was announced that Japan agreed to be the lead partner in the connectivity pillar of the Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative. The next news is the Spiral Galaxy NGC 5643. The Hubble telescope, operated by US National Aeronautics and Space Administration and European Space Agency, has captured a beautiful image of Spiral Galaxy NGC 5643, the galaxy in Lupus constellation or the Wolf. However, capturing the image was no cakewalk, the Space Agency have clarified, adding that looking that good even for a galaxy is not as easy as it may seem. Moving on to the next, OPCW confirms Novichok in Valney's blood. Blood samples taken from Kremlin critic Alexei Navalny confirmed the presence of nerve agent from the banned Novichok family, the global chemical weapon watchdog said on 6th October 2020. The Organization for Prohibition of Chemical Weapons said in a statement that biomarkers in his blood and urine had similar structural characteristics as the toxic chemicals belonging to the Novichok group. That's all for the day in the news bulletin. For more details, please log on to ksgindia.com.